DOZHATOLDYA.COM. Breaking news, everyone. It's your boy Dame Doja. This is a Doja Toja reaction to this brand new breaking news. Welcome all. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and all that good stuff, man. But I can't even stall. I got to get right into it. Donald Trump, yes, Donald J. Trump has done it. Trump has commuted Larry Hoover's sentence. Now, he's been pardoning on a pardoning spree the last week. Seems to have it seems to be a relation to all the people that he's been pardoning. And the latest person to get pardoned is none other than Larry Hoover. Yes. Larry Hoover sentence is being commuted, man. And I can't say nothing, man. I'm not really a Trump fan, but I gotta applaud that. That's he shoots, he scores. This is tremendous. Just because of the statement that it says, especially people in their old age, we need to start, instead of incarceration, we need decarceration of, offenders who may or may not, their guilty status is just vague. May or may not done the crimes that they've done. But what do y'all think about this, man? What do y'all think, man? Donald Trump has commuted Larry Hoover's sentence. The president is on a pardon spree, shortening the infamous former gang leader's sentence after years of advocates pressing for his release. After years, man, they've been trying to get Larry Hoover free, man. So Kanye was right. Is a lot of folks gonna feel like they was right? I mean, it's kind of a highest bidder thing, but I don't want to make it seem like I'm trying to be negative. But it says President Donald Trump has commuted the sentence of Larry Hoover, the infamous former gang leader from Chicago, according to a White House official. Hoover, the co-founder of the Chicago gang Gangsters Disciples, has been serving multiple life sentences since the 1970s, bro. He has multiple state and federal convictions, including for murder and founding a criminal enterprise. He has made repeated requests to shorten his sentence, including under the First Step Act, a criminal justice reform bill passed during Trump's first term. And then they want to block the rest of the story. But the bottom line is Donald J. Trump has commuted the sentence of Larry Hoover. This is big. Doja Toja. How y'all feel? Let me know in the comments, man. Make sure y'all check back with us. The Doja Toja podcast is going daily. So we just had to give y'all that daily news, man, because it was big. Free Larry Hoover and to us backwards. Larry Hoover may soon be free. How do you feel? Let us know, man. Get back to us, and we'll see y'all next time. It's your boy Dame Doja, and yeah, we'll see y'all next time, man.
You're listening.
Once again, round of applause, though. Like and subscribe to the channel, man.
DOZHATOLDYA.COM.